Welcome to the video of the Bharat Scouts and Guides Cup section. चतुर्थ चरण सिलेबस। इसको देख लीजिए। चतुर्थ चरण में आपको क्या क्या करना है। Observe a pet bird or animal and take care of it at least for 3 months. Your pet may be a dog, cat, rabbit or parrot. Pets need a clean place to live. So write here how to care. Report of पैक कैंप ओवरनाइट। आप पैक कैंप जब करेंगे उसका डेट, प्लेस, नेम ऑफ LOC एंड एक्टिविटीज डन यहाँ पे आप लिखेंगे। पैक एक्सपेडिशन। एन एक्सपेडिशन इज ए जर्नी फॉर ए स्पेशल पर्पज सच एज डिस्कवरी, कलेक्टिंग न्यू प्लांट्स। मेक सच जर्नी पर्पजफुल। रिपोर्ट, डेट, प्लेस, कहाँ पे आप गए उसके बारे में यहाँ पे लिखना है। प्रिपेयर नट्स बाय यूजिंग थ्रेड, वूल एंड एफिक्सियर एंड राइट यूजेस। बो लाइन, ए राउंड टर्न एंड 2 हाफ हिचेस, उसको बनाएंगे और यहाँ पे चिपकाएंगे। इंफॉर्मेशन ऑफ ओन सेविंग बैंक अकाउंट। एक बैंक अकाउंट आप खोल के उसके बारे में यहाँ लिख सकते हैं, जैसे नेम ऑफ द बैंक, अकाउंट नंबर, IFSC कोड, और प्लांट द सैपलिंग एंड ऑब्जर्व इट and write observation report month wise. Participation in a religious function. Name of function, place, date, experience. In our country there are several religious functions such as Dasara, Diwali, Holi, Eid, Christmas, Guru Nanak's birthday. You should try to participate in the religious function in your community. Learn something about their customs. Take an active part in the work of the place of worship. Qualify for one of the following proficiency badges not earned earlier. World conservation, that means to know the importance of conserving our natural resources and using them properly. Then first aider, know the simple rules of first aid. Be able to treat the cases like burns, scalds, cuts, scratches, shocks. Be able to clean a wound and treat it. Then cyclist. Bicycling is fun, it is good for you and it is interesting, but cycling can be dangerous if you are not careful. So know the rule first. Then gardener. You will find a great deal of fun to have a garden, either vegetables or flowers. Growing seeds does not mean gardening, but a gardener must know. He should know about the soil, its fertility and kinds of soil, good quality of seeds, water them properly, know how to protect plants from animals and insects, etc. Then E, write about bookbinder. F, heritage. G, free being me. Addresses of 5 scouts in the locality. Name of scouts and their address. 5 स्काउट्स बच्चों का आप उनको नाम और एड्रेस आपको यहाँ पे लिखना है। Write paragraphs about two national heroes, freedom fighters. Write their names, photos, and write something about them. Participate in Free Being Me project of WAGGGS. What is Free Being Me? Read the paragraph. Free Being Me is an educational program that promotes body confidence and a world free from appearance-related anxiety. What is the World Association of Girl Guide and Girl Scout? This is vision and mission. Take a project under Free Being Me and write your report. Date, project, brief summary, result. Gain knowledge and practice simple yoga in daily life. Paste some photos and write about them. Affix pictures of some simple yoga asanas. Write the name of asanas. Read and know Wolf Cubs Handbook. Bite 1. Then Wolf Cubs Handbook, Bite 2. Read about them and write. Know the Sher Khan death dance.
Mowgli's hunting, Mowgli's hunting. Kill Sher Khan, kill Sher Khan. Skin the cattle, ate, skin the cattle, ate. Ra ra ra, ra ra ra, ra ra ra, ra ra ra.
Record of pack meetings attended. Attend at least 8 pack meetings and write date, place. This is the test card of Chaturtha Charan testing camp. Qualify any one of the proficiency badge. Area of assessment. Here areas are there. You have to qualify. Here paste your certificate of Chaturtha Charan.